Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to mine free Litecoin every single second using this free Litecoin mining site. Before we get started in this video, I have some gifts for you. I'll be giving out 7 premium courses to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and you will see the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the notification bell and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop a new video in the future. Click on the like button and go to the comment section and type how to mine free Litecoin, all tasks done. Once you do this, I will be able to know that yes, you've performed this task. Then I'm going to send the 7 premium courses to you for free. Now click on the share button and share it to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. And for those that have performed and completed the task on my other videos, you can go to the video now and claim your reward. Alright, I have placed the link of the website we are going to be using today in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. Now, to create an account for free on this website, click on sign up. Then click on click me. It's going to verify you, then it will proceed to the next page. Alright, you enter your full name, username, password, repeat your password, email, repeat your email, then you put your security question and your secret question. So after inputting all that, you scroll to the left, then you input any of the cryptocurrency address you want to be using to receive payment, be it Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, which is USDT, Tether BEP20, Tron account, BNB, BTC, B. So once you input your cryptocurrency address, you click on I agree to terms and condition. Then you click on I am not a robot. After doing that, you click on registration. Alright, after clicking on I'm not a robot, you click on registration. Click on click me. Alright, as you can see right here, we have registered for absolutely free without paying any dime on this website to register. From the beginning of the registration, I did not add my address, but you can say add your cryptocurrency address here. So you click on login. Once you click on login, you're going to log into your account, then it will take you to your dashboard. I am not a robot. Okay, it wants to check your network, allow it to load. Now you can proceed. Okay, before you click on the login, you are going to click I am not a robot first before you input your username and password. If not, it will not take you to the page. As you can see right here, this is the interface of this platform and this is the dashboard of this platform. This is your dashboard now. After signing up on this website, you'll be given 100 GHS. So this is where your mining activities will be taking place, and here is where your balance will be transferred to every 24 hours. That is every day your balance will be transferred to this balance. Then here is your live mining. As you can see, it's mining now. Then here is your 100 GHS that you have. That this is the total amount you've withdrawn from the site. The mining here now is slow because we are using a free account, but you can make it to be faster. So to make this mining to be faster, all you have to do is to follow this simple step. Let's speed it up. You click on speed up Litecoin mining, which is on the left hand side of our screen. Click on it. You allow it to load up. So right here you can see lots and lots of Litecoin mining plan you can choose from. You can just select any one that you want to use, then you start mining. So let's explore them and see the profit we'll be getting for using each one of the plan. So the first plan right here is called standard contract. This standard contract is going to give you 1000 GHS and you'll be earning $1.1 return every single day, and you can get this miner for $10. Then the other one here is auto contract. It is going to be giving you 3000 GHS and you'll be getting $1.35 daily, and you can get it for $30, which is going to mine for 30 days period. Then this one is called the Tesla contract. It's going to giving you 30,000 GHS and you'll be getting $16.5 every single day if you deposit $300. But if you deposit $500, you'll be getting $27.5 every single day, which is 30 days. Then this one right here is called Faraday contract. It's going to be giving you 100,000 GHS and you'll be getting $58.5 every single day if you deposit $1,000. But if you deposit $2,000, you'll be getting $117 every single day for the next 30 days. So this one right here is called the BMW contract. This one is going to be giving you 500,000 GHS and you'll be getting $308 every single day, and it's going to be mining for the next 30 days if you deposit $5,000. So the Mercedes contract here is going to be giving you $650 every single day, and it's going to be mining for the next 30 days if you deposit $10,000. So the Ferrari contract here is going to be giving you 2 million GHS and a return of $1,350 every day if you deposit $20,000 on this plan. Then the Lamborghini contract is going to be giving you 5 million GHS. Return daily is $3,500 per day, which you're going to be getting it for $50,000. So you can choose the miner you want to use. Let's choose the lowest right here. You scroll up. So to choose a miner, click to select. Once you click on it, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you select the payment method you want to use. You can deposit through Bitcoin, Litecoin, deposit through Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Tether TRSC20, Tether BEB20, Tron, BNB, and BTCB. Whichever one you want to use, you can use it to deposit on this site. So let's select Litecoin, then click on spend. So this is the payment site. Let's say you are getting the standard contract. It is going to cost you $10 and you'll get a return of $11 in the period of 10 days. Note that you can be withdrawing your profit every day as it is mining. You don't need to wait for 10 days before you withdraw. Now to make payment, scroll down and copy the Litecoin address here. Once you copy it, you take it to your wallet, then make payment to the site. Like I always say, when investing on any site, invest at your own risk and invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. Note that you can mine using the free plan, but if you want to make more money on this site, then you can purchase a miner. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon in order to get notified by YouTube whenever we drop a new video. Now stay safe and God bless.